Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, we will show you how to allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone. Before starting a video, if you are the new user, please subscribe our channel. So let's go toward the video. First, we will show you what the problem you are facing. So click on the plus icon and then click on the camera icon, and you see this problem which need to allow the camera. So these are the problem, and now we will go to the how to fix it. So go back and then go to the setting. In setting, you search for the app and click on it, and then click on the apps and search for the Instagram. You see this is the Instagram. Click on it and then click on the permission. You see at the second one, click on it, and you see that only contact is allowed to your Instagram, and we will allow camera from here. Click on allowed only when used, and then microphone. Click on microphone to allow it. Yes, this is the microphone allowed, and similarly we will allow storage and other phone. So these are the way to allow it. Now we will go back to the Instagram to check that the problem is resolved or not. See this, the notification is removed. Let's check it again and go back to the home screen and click on the plus and then click on the camera, and you see that the notification is removed. This video is informative for you. Please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.